In this video, let's look at automapping. How does automapping work in PumasCP? So when you select the dataset in step 2 and click on next, where you arrive at the mapping stage, so you would see that some of the columns get automapped to the required variables and also the secondary variables here. The column names are readily read by the application, and this step of manual mapping is reduced. If let's say you're using an Adam dataset where the column names are not readily readable, then you would have to manually map them by clicking on the drop down and choosing the column of interest. And also ensure that you have mapped a right type of the column. So basically, by hovering on the column name, you would see what is the required type for each of those variables. So ID, either it should be a string or a number or an integer. It cannot be any other type. Or same way for time. It can either be a number or an integer. Same for observations. So observations, you can see either it can be a number or an integer, or a number or an integer column which can have missing values. So this should be ensured while you prepare datasets, and the automatically happens when all these conditions are met. So this was about the automapping step in step 3 of PumasCP or an NCA workflow. Hope this helped. Thank you for watching.